Imagine cooking your daily meals without the worry of expensive, scarce fuel or the guilt of contributing to deforestation. This vision is becoming a reality in Gambia, thanks to a transformative initiative led by Fortis Invicta. Entire communities are now embracing eco-friendly briquettes and biogas to revolutionize their kitchens, reducing their dependence on traditional fuel sources. Beyond solar solutions, Fortis Invicta is also introducing sustainable fuel alternatives. Eco-briquettes made from agricultural waste, biochar briquettes that improve soil health, and biogas systems are replacing traditional charcoal. These innovations not only reduce deforestation, but also create economic opportunities for local communities while providing cleaner, more efficient cooking solutions. What if the solution to a global crisis was as simple as switching to eco-friendly briquettes and biogas for your daily cooking? Fortis Invicta is implementing a groundbreaking initiative that's transforming kitchens across Gambia. Not only does this shift address massive environmental challenges, but it also transforms daily routines for thousands, creating sustainable change. Picture this: a nation where smoke-filled kitchens are replaced by clean, eco-friendly cooking solutions powered by briquettes and biogas. This isn't just a vision, it's the ongoing reality crafted by Fortis Invicta. By providing sustainable energy, empowering communities, preserving forests, and rewriting the story of domestic life. This project is inspiring. The impact is monumental, signaling a brighter, sustainable future for Gambia, one eco-friendly meal at a time.